What's up, guys, and welcome back to Book of Entertainment. So, if you've seen Dalimpofu of late right now on social media, he is very disappointed with what Jacob Zuma has done to literally these EFF members, that left the EFF and joined MK. Dalimpofu is very disappointed, and you can see with most of his tweets and messages that he's been posting that this guy will definitely leave MK party and go and join this new Maibuye party by Floyd Shivambu. It's just so clear. It's visibly there, the disappointment on Dalimpofu, and there is a sense of hope for Floyd Shivambu to succeed. And one thing, Dalimpofu that he is doing is that he's going to be playing this thing very, very intelligently. He is not going to come out in the open, and he's never come out in the open, to rebel against MK Party or Jacob Zuma. He's going to be sticking around, up until a time, when it's safe for him to transition from MK to Maibuye. This is exactly the same strategy that he used to transition from EFF to MK, and you can see that Dalimpofu is just buying his time. But the thing is that if Maibuye fails, this new Shivambu party, if it fails, Dalimpofu it will still remain under Zuma and continue, just quietly business as usual, as if nothing was going on all along. So this is what is happening, if you're to interpret what Dalimpofu is saying on social media. I'll catch you guys on the next one.